guys, so I wanted to make a quick video discussing using Retin A around your eyes. So you're going to get a lot of conflicting information about this, and I thought that I would just share my input with you guys. Now, before I move forward with this video, I wanted to give a disclaimer. I am not a doctor or a skincare professional. Retin A is a drug regulated by our government, so using it correctly should be taken seriously, and if you have any real concerns, please contact your dermatologist. Okay, so let's talk about using Retin A to specifically target the fine lines and wrinkles under your eyes. Now, I've had other viewers on my channel raise a concern on my other Retin A video that they are using Retin A for the wrinkles specifically under their eyes, but yet every time they Google or research how to use Retin A correctly, it's indicated not to use it under their eyes. So they are really confused by this. And I've also had other viewers come forward and comment that they've been using Retin A for decades and they put it directly under their eyes with no bad side effects. In fact, they've only seen positive results from this. So there is a lot of confusion going on. So when I first started using Retin A over a year ago now, I did not put Retin A under my eyes just because my skin had not acclimated to it. It was not used to it. And I was still going through the Retin A ugly phase for several months. I was experiencing redness, peeling, flaking, all those symptoms that you have to go through in order to get used to Retin A. So I definitely did not want to put it under my eyes where your skin is a lot thinner and more sensitive. I kind of would just rub it all into my face, and then whatever residue I had left on my fingers, I would put under my eyes and then even on my eyelids, but it really wasn't a whole lot. After a full year of using Retin A, I was able to use it on my face every single night without having any more Retin A symptoms, any more of the bad symptoms like the peeling, the flaking, the redness. I never get that anymore. So at that point, I actually decided to experiment and start putting Retin A under my eyes, directly under my eyes. Now, I want to mention that I do not have sensitive skin. I have I don't know what the right word is, unsensitive skin. I can use all types of products on my skin and I don't get any type of reactions to them. So I definitely think that this is a factor, but putting Retin A under my eyes, basically like 99% of the time, nothing ever happened. I had a couple incidences where it actually irritated the skin under my eyes, and I did have like a patch of dead skin that was red/brown that I saw in the morning. So that was literally the worst thing that I experienced from putting Retin A under my own eye. By the end of the day, that patch had like gone away or it flaked off and it was gone. So that is literally the worst thing that ever happened from me putting Retin A directly under my eyes. And now I put Retin A under my eyes as part of my Retin A skincare routine, and I even put a tiny bit on my eyelids. I want to target those areas and I want Retin A to be for sure absorbed in these areas because that's the thinnest part of your face and the most susceptible part to getting wrinkles. So that is just my personal opinion. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm just sharing with you my own experience and how I use Retin A. Feel free to browse the comments in my videos to see if anybody else uses Retin A in this way. I hope this helps some of you guys out there, and I hope that you see results with Retin A. See you in the next video. Bye!